how to upload your website files via FTP. I'm Vianney from johnvianney.com, and if you want to learn how to upload your website files to your server via FTP or via cPanel, go and watch this video, and remember to subscribe to the channel.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload files via FTP. There are two ways that you can do this effectively. One is by using the file manager setting in cPanel, which you'll find here in the files area. That can be a bit clunky, so what I like to do is to use a third-party FTP client. And the one that I like to use is this one, FileZilla, which you can download for free from this website here, filezilla-project.org/download.php. And this is what the FileZilla interface looks like once you've got it installed. All you do is enter your FTP details in here, and then click on the button here that says Quick Connect. And there we go, it's logged it all in. And you can see it shows what's on the hard drive, or in this case a CD-ROM that I want to upload, on this left hand side of the pane, and it also shows what's on your server on the right hand side. And I'm going to upload this into HTTP docs, as it calls it on this particular server. Some servers will call this public HTML. Just double click there, and I'm going to have a new folder, so I can open it here, right click, click on Create Directory, and I'm going to call this directory, well actually this is a download directory, so I'm going to give it a random number and letter name. So there we go. And now I can open that by double clicking. You see it shows that it's empty. Then what I can do is come over here to the left side and highlight all of the files that I want to upload. You can either hold down the Shift key to select all of them, or if there are just some that you want to upload, you simply hold down the Control key to select them. And then when you're ready to upload them, you can either hold down the mouse left button and drag it over, or you can right click and click on upload to upload it as well. And you can see down at the bottom it's giving you a progress report as to how the files are being uploaded. You can see here it's showing 4 successful transfers, and here we have them now on my web server. It's all been uploaded, so I can come up here to this icon here and click on the disconnect, and there we go, I'm now disconnected from the server and my files have been uploaded. If you just have one web server, it's very easy to use this, because when you need to log in again, you can just click on here on the R button here, which will automatically reconnect it to the web server. And you can see there we go, we're connected again. And that's how you can upload your files to your web server via FTP.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to learn more, if you want to learn step by step how to promote affiliate products, go to johnvianney.com. Remember to subscribe to the channel, you set your name and email in the page, and get the step by step training along with my free ebook about making money online with affiliate marketing.